Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm be showing you how to add a pull tab to say on a 2009 to 2014 Nissan Maxima. Well, the 13 and 14s come with it, and I'm gonna show you what I mean in a minute. All right, so for this part, you're gonna need a power tool. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So just get in between and pull out. Oh, one more right here, so 14. Now for these, just pull them out. And then for this, just work it around our emergency latch. Fella. I'll put this right here. All right, and to add this, you just line this up, and this is a 2011. These came on the 2013s and 14 models. But on the older models, you can see they came with it. So this was from a 2014 I pulled. So you see, just add it in. And then it comes with 2 bolts. All right, and then you just put the 2 10 mils back on. Alright, so now we can put this back on. So slide it over the trunk latch, over that. And then for this, you want to work the emergency latch. You could either work it around. But it's going to be harder to do with one hand. So you could work it around, do one side, and do it that way. Or another way on the back side, there's little pins. So just reach back here. Push on the sides. There we go. So you just pinch on the sides, and then it will also come off. So that's 2 ways you can do that part. So if you do it this way, just pull this through like that. Do the same thing, put it over the latch, over that. And then you want to get these and just push, and it should lock it into place. You gotta push it all the way in, that way these could grip the inside of the trunk and lock into place. Alright? And then we just put all the little grommets back in. I thought that one was all the way in, but I'll get it in a minute. It's probably bent. I got a spare one, so I'll just replace it, see if it is that one. This one came apart. Alright, I got another one, let's see. So it was the one that fell on the floor. It was bent, so this one, that's actually stuck, so the other one was damaged. And then to put this in, just push it back into its hole, And this is how you add a pull tab from the 2013 to 2014 Nissan Maxima onto the older models, 2009 to 2011. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next one. Peace.